here. And I think, oh yeah, the bacon I got right here. It's in the fridge. So now I'm going to get, my mom's here filming. I'm going to get a pan. Here, one. And I need to get some butter. I can't reach it, so I'm going to need a stool. My mom's gonna cook some bacon, so we're gonna put the camera right here so it can show us bacon. I'm gonna make a fried egg too. Yeah. And the stove is getting hot. My mom's gonna have to cook some bacon too, I guess. There, now I'm gonna cut the butter.
Preparation, I'm gonna prepare this, okay? That's one. Need to do it?
There, now I'm gonna cook. I'm rubbing it in everywhere so my egg can do something. If you just put the egg in, it wouldn't work. So you have to put a little butter in there. You have to get it everywhere, so I'm gonna use another pan.
You want this one?
Yeah.
No, why are you cooking that one?
There.
No, just leave it there. It won't melt. It won't melt.
Now, my egg.
Want me to get it?
Yeah, my mom's gonna crack an egg because the last time I did it, it just went everywhere. So my mom's gonna crack an egg. I'm making a fried egg.
Making a fried egg.
See, let me show you. So I'm gonna show you. So you can see the egg right there. It's getting a little white. And we're gonna cook some bacon. You can kind of hear the egg cooking. A little, maybe.
What is that? No,
Yeah.
you don't use the gun.
I use pepper. There. You just put salt and pepper on. Here's the bacon my mom has to cook. You cook it now because
Right there? Where you cook it?
My egg is cooking. Fried egg. And my mom's gonna cook bacon and it's splashing everywhere.
Okay, be careful.
No, don't flip it, don't flip it.
Why, you don't want to flip it?
Not yet, because just pick it up and put it
You
on
want to
the
just
plate.
cook it in there after the eggs? Cook it in there? The bacon, or you want to put it in the oven?
Put it, no, you have to, Nana cooks it on right there. getting good. It's not all the way cooked. It's getting there. And I'm not gonna flip it because like when you flip it, it doesn't look that good. And I'm gonna show you my mom cooking bacon. Yeah. We're gonna put the bacon on.
Can you see your face?
Don't flip it. Just put it on a plate.
I know, but it's gonna
Do not flip it. Don't flip it. Another stove is getting hot because we're gonna cook bacon. It's kind of like breakfast. I'm gonna have this for breakfast too, but this is a little weird because like eggs and bacon are for breakfast. But that's fine. I'm still having it for dinner. And it's getting hot. So my hair's getting long. I went sledding earlier with my cousins. And my mom's gonna cook some bacon.
How many bacon you want?
Two. There's two? Yep. Two. Oh, my egg.
You done?
Yeah. Don't flip it. Do not flip it. Just turn the stove off. Turn the stove off.
You don't want to cook the milk, please? Yes?
No. I have it on a glass plate. On a glass plate. Oh, it stinks. You can see the steam. Kind of. Here. That's supposed to be like that.
Huh? No, actually, I don't put anything in it.
Whoa.
Yeah, actually, hold on a minute. Can I use this one? Or a little bit down?
It's a little buttery.
I know, that's why I put it in there.
Yeah, we're cooking it. Let me show you. So, let me show you the bacon. And yeah, the bacon is cooking. I'm done with my egg. I want to show you my egg. We're putting the blower on because it might smell. Here's my egg. Careful on. My face is hot and I'm in my elf pajamas. And here's a hood. Take it. Yeah. Like that. It's already past Christmas, but that's fine because these are warm and it's winter now, so whatever. Cooking bacon. The bacon's almost done. The bacon's almost done. And my elf, it has ears too. Ears. And yeah. My egg is a little burnt.
I think this is done, this right?
Yeah, I think it's done.
Okay.
Buttery.
Huh? Okay, I think it's done, right? Maybe a little bit.
Yeah, it needs a little bit of cook.
Are you done with this one?
Yeah, I'm done. Okay. Oh, it feels so good over here. It's not back right here. Oh, it feels so warm.
Now it's done then. It's done now.
Yeah. Here is what it looks like. That. That's what you probably see for breakfast, but I'm having it for dinner, but that's okay. And I'm gonna eat. My bacon's a little hot. My egg is probably the most hot. Or maybe not, because like we cooked it first and my bacon second. So I'm gonna eat my bacon. But I wonder what kind of bacon this is. Maybe turkey or maybe regular bacon. I made a hole. I see you guys. It's very good. And another half. I already have another 2 pieces of bacon. These and another. We're finished. I didn't eat my egg yet. I usually eat my bacon first and then my egg. That's what I'm doing right now. My bacon. My bacon's very good. I'm gonna have this for breakfast. I already told you guys. And my watermelon. And it's also squishy too. Watermelon squishy. I'm gonna finish this half. Good. I mean, another half. Finish my other half of bacon. Good. The heater. There's a heater right there. And it's very warm. I like it. I wonder. That sounded like a sizzle sound. Hit the subscribe button. Drop my table, so that's fine. I did it all before. Warn me. I like this. I'm such a slow eater. I'm still eating my bacon. Now I'm gonna eat my egg because what? No. My mom is actually gross. I call her fries and it's not only eat my egg because I finished my bacon. I'm still trying. Now I'm gonna eat my egg. That's looking really good. Whoa. It's a little cold because I'm a slow eater. I already told you that. So, do you know what the best part is? This, the yellow part. It's so good. Anyways, this is a fried egg. Huh. It's crunchy because it's a little burnt. Oh my God. I'm gonna peel off the burnt part because that's what the burnt part looks like. See? It's not really that good, the burnt part. I'm just gonna get mine. There. I'm kind of wasting my egg, but it's burnt, right? There. All gone. It's all gone. Eat this. Here's all my burnt parts. Oh, look, you gotta see this. You gotta see this. My yolk is rotting. See? Now, eat. My mom's right here.
Eating good, Liz?
Yes.
Good job.
Good.
You like the yellow?
Mm-hmm. And I'm done with my egg. I ate a lot of it. It's still a little bit there. I a little bit wasted it. Let me show you. That's how much I ate, and I ate my bacon. And then that's the burnt part. Then I peeled off the egg. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Bye. Thank you guys so much for watching.